Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible when I look through your...
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are doing things a little bit differently today. Doing a day in the life video, so I'm just going to kind of show you what we're doing today, which is Saturday. So we are going to my mom and stepdad's house today in about an hour to swim. They opened their pool a few weeks ago, so we usually go like every Saturday and Sunday as long as the weather's nice. And hang out over there for a little bit. But I have got to get some makeup on because this face is scary, and I'm not trying to scare you guys. So I'm not going to do a full face of makeup, obviously, because we're going to be at the pool outside, but just thought I could get a little bit of eyeliner on. Just a little bit of something. So now I just have to figure out something to wear, which is not hard because there's not much to choose from. I got this, I think I got this in Florida. I got this little cover up in Florida last year at one of their shops, so I'll probably just wear this to my mom's pool. I usually wear like shorts and like a little tank top or something, but I think I'm just gonna wear this little cover up because it's just easy to take off, and it is like cropped to the top. It doesn't have strings or anything, so it just goes across the chest. So, and it is also hard to do day in the life videos because my youngest likes to cry and whine 24/7. She's at that age where she is whiny, super whiny, and her and my son fight constantly. So yeah, it's hard. That's why I don't do day in the lives a lot, because they are super argumentative with each other. So we're gonna do the best that we can today. We're gonna try to do the best we can with this hair today, because it needs a good wash. I'm gonna get all these bath toys out of the sink.
I want to bring these to the pool.
You can bring her.
I'm gonna bring her.
Well, some of those aren't pool toys though. We don't want them to get, stuck at the bottom of the pool.
Are they gonna swim? Are they gonna swim?
You can bring one. I don't think you should bring that one though. Can you open up?
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during the night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
so hot.
I know, it's okay.
My seat is hot.
I know, just get up there.
It's so hot. Are you going to shock me?
No. Nothing's gonna shock you.
Ouch. My back.
I
Ouch.
gotta get the car warmed up.
Huh?
Said I have to get the car, or not warmed up, I gotta get it cooled off.
Is it going to be loud?
Nope. Woo! Hot in here. Hold on, y'all.
Hello. I don't want to pee.
No, you can't pee in your bathing suit.
Yeah. Gosh, it's hot in here, guys.
It is super hot.
It's humid out.
Yeah, it is.
Channel.
Say happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday. Hit that subscribe button.
Hit that subscribe button.
Are we going to do a bubble?
Yeah, Grammy has bubbles for us. We didn't have to bring our towels because they're already over there. We have like 6 or 7 over there, so we didn't have to bring that. 2 of Paisley's bathing suits are already over there, and both of Landon's swimming trunks are over there, so that's why he has regular shorts on, so.
This is right, Grammy.
Huh?
This is right, Grammy.
Yep.
This?
Yep.
Mom.
What?
Mom, we're going to do the challenge.
We're doing a challenge?
Yeah, it's a 24 challenge. A 24 challenge. Yeah, we're going to do a challenge. Stop saying that.
24-hour
24 hours.
challenge.
1 hour.
We're not doing a 24-hour challenge of anything.
Challenge. Like a challenge.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Is it cold? Mommy, got so much water in my nose.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't take you anywhere, somewhere we won't be scared.
You will see me flying high.
So we are on our way to my dad and stepmom's house for dinner and to hang out for the evening. Not really sure what my phone's doing, but it keeps sliding, so that's why the picture is crooked. I'm gonna have to fix it when we get to a stoplight here. I think that's better now. You guys are gonna have to excuse my appearance for today because I really don't get ready on Saturdays. It's just kind of a day to hang out with family. I don't really put any makeup on ever on Saturdays. Really here lately, the only time that I have been putting any makeup on is if I go into the office. I go into the office twice a week for work, just for a few minutes to do a couple things. And then for my cleaning videos on Sunday. Yeah, because I have to look like I have it together as far as my hair and stuff, because the rest of the week is not a real pretty sight. But we are going to my dad's. We usually just go there on Saturdays just to hang out and spend time, you know, kind of like we did today with my mom and stepdad. Saturday's kind of like our family day where we go and visit my mom and dad and hang out and eat. We like to eat.
Hello. All I want to do is zoom, 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 zoom. Hey, shake it, hey. All I want to do is zoom, 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 zoom. All I want to do is zoom, 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 zoom. Hey, shake it, yay. All I want to do is zoom, 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 zoom.
Oh, I forgot to get them rice. Here. Oh, it's okay.
What?
They can have some of mine. You want some
We
more
have some
rice?
more.
Do you want some rice?
You
guys want some rice? Okay.
Yeah, mine too.
I got it.
I just want some chippers. Did you get me going zoom, zoom, zoom?
Yes, I did.
All I want to do is zoom, 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 zoom.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. And a little bit of faith has
guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and give it a thumbs up if you did, and we will see you next time.